Morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pre-Market Analysis. Let's start with Tesla first of all. Very, very important. We have been shorting this stock since 495, right at the rejection of these two candles. And I was shocked. One guy in the morning asking me a question that what is the short entry on Tesla? You see these two candle, particular these two candle rejection, the body rejection on the same level, long wick exactly in the same area, next candle falling short, volume suddenly disappear, and we have a bearish divergence. This was the first trigger of the short selling at 495. Second price target was 491. Right here it was alerted. We took the exit 491.85, and then so this was the first trade, and 491.85 was the second short. And since then, we have been shorting Tesla, and the stock is falling continuously. When the stock was trading at 498, I was the probably only person on this world, in the entire world, who was saying Tesla is overvalued. And today, someone came to me in the morning and say, "What is the Tesla short?" We are already sitting at $16,000 profit on a single entry, and now you are asking what is the short entry? I posted so many times. 1, 2. You see that? Tesla is a great company, but great company doesn't make you rich when you chase premium. Means the stock is overvalued. Another one. Right here. Every single video. You see that? People have no idea how much they'll regret chasing Tesla at the top. Another alert. Another one. Okay. Another one. Third reminder to exit all position and short Tesla. How can someone be more clear than this one? Short the fucking Tesla. Short Tesla. That's what it says. Then we got the UBS downgrade. Another confirmation to our price target on 2nd of December. Another one. Where are the Tesla bulls? I can't see them anymore. Another one. Every single day. Look at this one. People have no idea how much they'll regret. FOMO always sends the invoice later. Every single day for last 8 days, I have been saying short Tesla, short Tesla, short Tesla. Every single day. Every single video is about shorting Tesla. And this morning, somebody is asking me, when did we short Tesla? That's the only thing we are doing for last 8 days. If you're sleeping, then go back to sleep. Okay. We'll be closing our short position in the market opening. We'll be booking the profit. So what we are looking at here, a little bit better. I see your comments. Okay. So what we are looking here, we see the little divergence right here. What will happen? The price is below the 50 EMA. The price will retest the 50 EMA from below. Stock is still bearish. There is a lot of downside. I have been saying Tesla will go to 300 area, and nothing can stop that. And I will show you why it will go to 300 area. Okay. All right. So this is the ultimate low of this area, which is 380 area. Double top. This is where the liquidity is sitting. The market sooner or later will take these 2 points down, these 2 points, okay? Because I'm on a 4-hour time frame. When you go to daily time frame, you'll understand what we are looking at. So this was the symmetrical triangle breakout, okay? This was the base formation of this entire bull run right here. You see that? This was a symmetrical triangle. Since then, we've been tracking Tesla candle by candle. So after this breakout, before the symmetrical triangle, this was the base. After the symmetrical triangle, our base from here shifted to this point, but this point is invalid. Why? Because this failed to break the previous high. So this point become invalid. Then the price entered the symmetrical triangle, means marking the lower high and the higher low. Okay. So every time from the downside, we have a higher low. From the top side, we have a lower high. And the price started contraction in this area right here. Where did the price first time had a change of character, the market momentum shift? Right at this point. This was the first point when we saw the change of character. So this up, down, failed to break the previous low and break out. So in this case, our ultimate low is sitting here. This is our ultimate low. This is how you identify where is your ultimate low. Ultimate low is right before the change of character. The first time when the market failed to break the previous low and break the previous high. So this is where is your ultimate low on Tesla. Now I'll show you the next bottom. So from here, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So this is where this entire trend started, right at this point, not here. Even though this was a lower point, still the trend started from here, because this was the first point where we break the change of character once we break out of the symmetrical triangle. So what was going on? Now this is our ultimate low. The price is never coming to this point. Never. Forget about it. You will ever see Tesla at this point. Point number one. So you have this, your range right here. So Tesla is never going to 288. That's your first analysis. Now, where are the previous liquidity? One liquidity is sitting right here. Okay, right in this area. Is there a volume in this area? Look here, there is no volume. Once the price comes here, third time, it will gap down like hell. Why it will gap down? Look here. Those who are in the Discord, they know that. What is this? Marubazu up. What will happen when the price comes here? Marubazu down. So this area will have a gap down sooner or later around 334 area. Maximum this liquidity is possible. This is where the maximum Tesla can fall. Sorry. So this is the next bottom of Tesla is right here. Tesla will never go below this area. Right here, maximum, this order block we should be paying attention. So anywhere between 303 to 334, these $30 area is your next bottom. And that's the area you should be start planning to capture from right now. You should be ready for this area. The price will come there sooner or later. Maybe I'm expecting around end of March or somewhere. Okay, the price will come back to 334, 330 area, plus minus few dollar. I don't have the exact calculation yet. Okay, but as we move forward, we'll have more clarity. Okay, but most likely this is the liquidity. I'm just trying to figure out whether we'll go for 313 or we'll bounce back, because there is no enough liquidity here. The first liquidity in this entire trend, you see the wick smaller, 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 smaller. There is no big wick here to have a clear reference. Okay, why you want to close your BMNR long position? We all are holding. I have 40,000 plus share of BMNR. Why you want to close? Okay, so what we are looking at here, this is the area, 320 area, 330 area is your next entry on Tesla, and then the stock will go double from there. From 330, we will go to 700. Make sure you know that. So once the price drop, make sure you are ready for the long synthetic skew biased volatility directional trade. Not many people in the world, not even 0.01% people knows what the hell I just said. That the trade which can convert $10,000 into $10 million, single trade. Be ready for that when the price hit. We were looking, when the price was here, we were looking for the first fake out on the symmetrical triangle. We missed it. We have done it twice on NVDA and Tesla, and we'll do it again. That trade will come. Okay, right now we'll be closing our short position on Tesla at the market open, and then we'll be waiting for a little bit of retracement back, and then again we'll be shorting. But most of the trade will be on the short side. Moving forward to S&P 500. So now let me tell you this again. This is heading into the area where we need to short S&P 500. If someone is not shorting, no, it's normal. You don't have to be worried about. Okay, I'll tell you why. Let me show you first. Okay, let's go to BMNR. S&P 500 will be shorting the market S&P 500. Let's go to BMNR. Why it's keep falling and what's going on. Okay, this was the lowest point. Okay, this was the lowest point on 21st of November when we marked the bottom. Have we gone to that point once again? No. So it's not falling. This is a retracement going on of this trend right here. Okay, this trend retracement. Why you should not worry about BMNR is, look here. It's normal. Everybody panic when the stock drops. But when you know the data, when you understand what the hell is going on in this stock, then you understand, okay, I'm willing to take a little bit of risk. Obviously, stock market is not your one-way street that you will buy and the price will go up, and it's not like a happy situation. Okay, but this is what you need to pay attention right here. What do you see on this screen right now? This is institution ownership, banks, hedge fund, okay, funds. What they are doing, why they are loading up in December. You see that? Look at the green bar on the right hand side in the December. What's going on? Why every single bank, every single fund in the world want to own BMNR? And you know why the price is going down? Because market need money. Market goes, the share price, or you call it market or whatever you call it, okay? The price will go where the money is sitting. And where the money is sitting is here. In December, all institutions are buying BMNR, okay? You see that? And that's why the price is down. Now let's figure out where the price is going. This is what you need to look at. We can be wrong buying BMNR, but all these people are not wrong, okay? Institution run the price, not retail investor. Look at this one. 19th of December, Finwe bought it. 15 December, 9 December, 3rd December, 2nd December, 2nd December, 1st December. Entire November, you see that? Look, there is not even a single sell trade, Rockefeller and all this. Look at the companies. Commercial Bank, Wolverine Trading, look here, Strive Assets Management, Keystone Financing, go to GM Advisory Group, CIBC Private Bank is a Canadian bank, JP Morgan Chase. Why are everybody buying these? Why everyone is buying BMNR? Because they know that the Ethereum will have a super cycle. So they are preparing for this. It's not happening tomorrow. It's not going to $1,000. It's not going to $1,500. But BMNR, people will not regret holding this. I'm telling you. Look at this one. Look at the institution buying. Every single day they are buying like there is no tomorrow. So when you see this data, then you should know that why, including Morgan Stanley. Look at this one. 9.6 million share of BMNR. Why everyone is buying? There's something going on. And that's what's going on the market. Let's go to Bitcoin and Ethereum. You see that? A lot of people get frustrated when they don't see the market moving, but they don't understand the basic what's going on in the market. You say this, the price was here at the point of control line since 20th of November, right? The black line right here. I'll delete all of the line. You see the black line right here? 20th of November around, the price came to point of control line. What's going on since then? The price has been stuck in the point of control line. And this is generally happens. Okay, right here, you see that? The price up, down, up, down, up, down, tracing the point of control line. It's neither selling off nor going upward. Means this is accumulation happening. This is the area that accumulation is happening. Means everyone agree, hey, this is the fair price of Bitcoin. This is the fair price of Ethereum. This is where the people are buying. And every time you see 84, 87, 86, 87, 88, 86 area. Why the Bitcoin is not dropping if there is a world is collapsing? Why Bitcoin did not drop? We marked the bottom at 80, and since then we have been sidelined. Volatility is crashed because the bank wants to own and accumulate before the volatility increase in the market. Bank, they don't want to buy something for $10 and then $20 and then $30. They want to buy everything like $10. They want to buy for 10, 11, 10, 11, 10, 11, continue for months. And that's why they keep the volatility crushed and the price sidelined so that they can accumulate enough, because they are not like retail individual investor. Go click the button, 200 share of Tesla, job done. Now let the price go up and I'll be making profit. They need to invest billions and billions of dollars, and there is no liquidity. So how do they create liquidity? There is two ways to create liquidity. Either you sell the market and liquidate people, which exactly happened on this one around November 20th. Like in October, we saw this sell-off and liquidation. And then you keep buying and make people frustrated holding their position. They get frustrated. Oh, nothing is moving. I'm done with the crypto. Let's take the loss and move on. Okay. And that's what they are doing right now. It's a psychological battle going on in the market between the banks and the retail investor. They will psychologically torturing every retail investor right here. Okay. How long will you hold your position? 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, you will give up your position thinking, oh my God, nothing is happening. Why the hell I'm trading? It's a bad stuff. My mama told me it's a casino. The trading never makes money. You know, those thought will become your confidence level. Yeah, my neighbor told me it's a casino, never trade. And you will give up your position. And that's exactly what will happen. Same thing. Same way the price came down, it will go up. And then you'll say, why the hell I sold my stock when the price was at the bottom? Market is manipulation. Don't think it's a fair game. Never ever come to market thinking, oh my God, I will buy and the price will go up. No. The market is about taking a chicken out of a crocodile mouth. If you can't wait for that one and snatch it out, you will never win. It's not an easy thing. All right, moving forward to Ethereum, what we are looking at, very similar situation. Price is stuck in the point of control line. Unless we have a breakout, the price will stay for another few days right in this area. We saw some volatility yesterday, the bounce, but again, Marubazu up, Marubazu down, same price. You see that every single time price is bloody pinpoint to the point of control line, and that's why the price is not going up. But when the accumulation is long enough, means the base, it's a simple theory, they call it. Longer the base, bigger the breakout. So they will keep the price here, they will accumulate as much as possible, and then suddenly you see next day 15, 20, 30% for next 10 days, each day 10% jump and job done. And then they will sell the market once again. This is how market works. Okay, moving forward to Amazon. We closed all our trade on Friday for profit. I was looking for the little bit of retracement. We got the retracement. We are looking for 50 EMA retest from the top. So a little bit more down, like $1 or $2. And again, we will enter the trade. Okay. BBI, we are holding our short put on this one. We'll continue holding. Okay, this stock has a lot of upside, but since it's in an AI company, when the momentum comes to the AI once again, and it will fly. So hold this stock, continue the short put. Moving forward to BMNR. Now we have not taken the previous low. This is where the liquidity is sitting. Price is stuck in the point of control line. Price will keep going up and down. So let's look at what's going on. Why this sell-off happened and why the price did not go here. Those who have done the training of the market structure, they know that. This was the high of this trend. This was the ultimate low. The price went up 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. Did not cross this. What did it mark? The internal range liquidity on the buy side. Down here, did the price break the previous low? No. This is how the market will play. Exactly. Market is playing a psychological game. Down here, equal low, up, down. Again, the next time when this will go up, it will not go above this point, and it will mark another high somewhere here, right in this area, and then again sell off. Market will not break the previous low. Market will not break the previous high. And if anyone is scared on BMNR, okay, anyone, let's say you are holding a position and you think, oh my God, I'm in loss on my BMNR, although we have closed enough profit on this one. We've been selling call back to back. But if you still think, what you do, buy at the money put for $27 for 90 days expiry and just hold your put. If you have 1,000 share, go and buy 10 put for $27 at the money. So from your entire downside is protected, and don't close that put. So if the price goes down, your put will right away start printing money for you. And on the top, you keep selling some calls. That's how you make money. Bull, it will take time. Stock will eventually go to 16.05. This liquidity will be the next price target, because once we break out from here, this liquidity will be taken right here. Okay, so the first price target will be $10. Last time we were looking for 10, it went to 10.37. Again, we will take down 10.37. So first price target is $10. Second price target is 12.50. Third price target is 16.05. After 16.05, we'll be out of entire trade from the bull, and it will take a couple of months, at least until 20th of February. Moving forward to Circle, when we traded this one, we knew it will retrace once again to 74 area and right here. So right from at 91 when we took the exit and we sold the call, we were looking for 74 revisit. There is nothing which can stop it to go to 74. Okay, right here we are 79, another $5 down. Our price target will hit, and around 74 area will re-enter the trade. Moving forward to GameStop. Stock is dropping. We are at the equal low. Price expect a little bit more downside drop from here before we have a retest of the 50 EMA. Okay, because we are heading into this liquidity grab down. So what will happen? There will be a fake out right here. Right here, they will try to scare people. Why? Because there is no volume right here. So there will one sharp wick and price will come back. So just make sure one one day it will be super red, like major sell off $1 or $2, and then suddenly bounce back. That's the kind of price action you will see. HIMS sitting at the bottom almost. I think I have a good position in this one. I'll continue building my position. I don't see any trouble with the stock right here on a daily time frame. If you look at overall, I'm waiting for the retracement. Recovery on this one. You see that it's trading near the value area low. If this particular candle right here hold, which is our hammer candle right here, with the exhaustion gap right here, the price will shoot up right from here. Okay, so I'm waiting for the sign of strength. Not this particular candle is not bullish. We'll wait for today and tomorrow. If we have some spinning candle or dodgy candle, green candle and reversal, then we'll be adjusting our trade. Till then, we'll just continue watching. Moving forward to Mara, probably the stock which is the cheapest one in the market to invest today. This stock belongs to 25, 24 area, highly undervalued because of the Bitcoin sell-off, crypto sell-off. If you don't have a Mara, you will regret. Let me be very clear. If you don't have Mara, you will regret. This stock is not $9 stock. The assets itself is $9 billion and company is trading for $3 billion, which is 300% undervalued. This is the most undervalued stock in the market today. Moving forward to Melly, the price is above the 9 EMA. Okay, we'll see the price continue bouncing. Maximum, I'm looking for another 50 EMA retest with 2089, so approximately $89, and then we'll see whether there will be a rejection or it will be a breakout. So wait for 50 EMA reclaim on daily time frame. Moving forward to Meta, when the Meta had this wick, okay, we clearly knew it. There is a selling pressure right in this area. If you have time, Rocket Lab, yeah, I'll do that. Okay. So what's going on here? You see the selling pressure right in this wick 3, right in this area above the black line. There is a heavy selling pressure. So the seller are refusing for price to break between the golden line and the black line. So we'll be monitoring. The price is above the 34 EMA, 9 EMA, as well as above the 50 EMA. Then we have a retracement. As long as we hold this price, okay, we are still good enough. So we are still bullish, okay. The price is still 658. If we break the 34 EMA, the golden line, which is 656 area, so just $2, very close. We'll be monitoring today, most likely. If the price drop, then we'll enter another down loop like this one. So price one more time go down before go up. Otherwise, we'll continue be bullish. So today is the day to monitor Meta. MSTR will take time. Unless the Bitcoin start recovering, it's not going to happen. Nice hammer candle at the bottom on Netflix. This is what we were looking at around 91 area. Okay, precisely 91. This liquidity grab right here, you see that this is called spring. Spring means when the price drop, price goes up, came back, but exactly in the same wick, the mark another wick which goes lower, liquidity sweep, and then suddenly the price reverse. So we are bullish on Netflix. The price will show the strength right here. At least the first price target will be 50 EMA, which is 104. So we are looking for approximately $10 recovery on this one, which is 12% of this one. Moving forward to NEO. NEO is doing good here. Okay, we are looking the sign of buyer right in these two candles. One is this one. One is this one. Although there is a heavy selling pressure right in this area. You see the selling pressure right here, here, here. So again, the price is stuck in the point of control area. So we'll be continuing monitoring on this one. Overall, it looks bullish to me. I'm okay to hold my trade all the way to 753. Nothing to panic on this one because we don't have the share. We only have a short put and we have a long call. Long call are already green, barely like $1, $2, but it's fine. As long as we are green, we are holding our trade and we are good for the recovery towards 753. Moving forward to NVDA, TEMA bullish right here. You see that all three EMA crossing each other means all bullish. And then we have a change of character right here if you look carefully. Right here. So the market has already shifted to bullish from this point. So this was the lowest point. Price went up. We left the exhaustion gap. This is the perfect example of exhaustion gap, and the price bounced and then has taken down the previous high, which was the liquidity sweep. A break means change of character. Market momentum has shifted. Market is NVIDIA is bullish. A little bit of retracement possible to retest the 50 EMA towards 183 and then bounce. So any retracement here will happen, will retest 50 EMA because the price is above 50 EMA now. So it will take 50 EMA as a support and then bounce once again. Moving forward to Oscar. Good to buy in this area. We have a candle body decay reversal. You see all the candle body, like this is our principal candle right in this trend right here. You see the golden line and the golden line right here. So this particular candle was our principal candle. Since then, every single candle is engulfing. So I don't think so it's going to sell off right from here. We also have mitigated the fair value gap right in this area, which was right here. Okay, the mitigation is already done. So this is where I'm looking for the price to bounce. You see that we already came to this area, the order block, and we have a doji candle. So the price need to recover from here and stop. At least one of another run like this much, which was from 13 to 18, $5 run should come from here, from 14 to 19, again, equal high. Moving forward to Rivian. Rivian is done. Rivian is done. Do not hold any long position. Rivian is only going down from here. First price target will be 50 EMA, $16 something liquidity of this particular candle, this area right here. This will be your first price target, 1572, and this will be your second price target. If you're lucky enough, try to capture this 1395, 14 area. If you get 14 area, do not think twice. Just buy this damn thing if you get 1385. Moving forward to SMCI, this is the perfect stock, very similar to Mara, highly undervalued in this area. Okay, 30 area has been, it's failing to break 30 and down 29.99. Okay, right here this week. After that, since then it has been sidelined. We already have a bull divergence. We have a low volume right here. Okay, so the volume will come and the market will start recovering. So the first price target will be around 52 area. We'll be out at 52. We are not looking to trade more than 52. Just the internal liquidity. That's it. Moving forward to SoundHound, short put, hold the trade. That's it. Okay, moving forward to RKLB, Rocket Lab. Job done. You should be out of all the trade. It's overbought. RSI is overbought right here. Selling pressure is already here. Buying climax is already done. This candle, this was the volume melt up. All three candle has a top wick right here. Selling pressure. Rocket Lab is done. You should be out of Rocket Lab. Where you should be looking to buy, minimum you'll be looking in this area, 52 area. That's it. Until it drop back to 52 area, you will not even look at the chart of Rocket Lab. So wait for 52 out of all the trade on the Rocket Lab. If it push even further higher up, let's say you have a FOMO, it will go up. If this goes up, it's none of your business. Right now, there are 20 plane departing from Montreal airport, 100 plane departing from New York airports. None of your business which plane is heading to which airport. That's none of your business. Where Air Canada is flying right now, where United Airlines is going with the flight departing in 5 minutes of United Airlines, which destination they are flying to, how many passengers are inside in that plane, none of your business. Once you reach to your point, you are out. And that's how you control your fear and greed. Once you know, okay, price is overbought, I'm out. I don't give a damn how overbought it will stay, how high it can go. It can go to $169. It's none of my business. If I bought it here at 37, I'll be out at 79. Job done. After that, where it goes, I don't care. Right? So that's how you control your FOMO. Out of the Rocket Lab and do not look back until the price drop to 52. Moving forward to Bitcoin, we have done this. The price is stuck in the point of control line. Right now, we are above 9 EMA. I'm hoping a breakout upside. 107, 108,000 is the price target. And after 108, we will sell off once again. That's where I'm expecting the bear market to start. Like price from here, go to 108, and then we enter the bear market. Like then it keeps selling continuously all the way to October, November. Okay. So one last leg is left here. I'm not a big fan of 250,000 or 400,000. And so 107,000 from here, and then we enter the last leg of sell. Moving forward to Ethereum, again, very similar. From here, we look towards 4,000, 3,500, 30, like right in this area, which is 4,000, you can say. Yeah, precisely 4,000 area. And then we sell off once again. So from here, I'm bullish on Ethereum. Ethereum will not go. A lot of people, okay, there was a fake post circulation about fund strat inside document leak, Ethereum going to $1,800. Not going to happen. Why it's not going to happen? First, market does not make the obvious move. Okay, you need to understand. If everybody knows in advance there is a leak document, Ethereum will go to $1,800. Everybody will buy the Ethereum at $1,800, have a limit order placed, and everybody will be rich. And that's what exactly market does not do. Market is not there to make everyone rich. Market only reward the patience one, those who have the patience. Those are patient enough to wait for the market for the reversal. Those who think, oh, I took my entry here and 3 days or 10 days or 15 days, I'm holding my trade and nothing is moving. Market is not going to reward you. Market will take the exam of your patience every single week. It's a frustrating job. Please understand, trading is a frustrating and boring job. If you looking for excitement, go for the bungee jumping or paragliding or parachute jumping or whatever you want to do, except trading. Everything is excited except trading. Okay, so if it's not boring, you are in a wrong profession. Look at how long this price has been stuck. Just think of someone investing $1 billion in a Bitcoin. Someone has $1 billion. He invested on 20th of November, for example. Think about his condition. He bought it right here at 88 area, right here. Let's say someone invested $1 billion right here, 88. Just look at about his frustration. You see, 20th of November to 29th of December with $1 billion investment is $0 return. This is how market works. Think about how much frustration he has built up, why the price is not moving, even if he bought $1 billion. That's how market works. Market doesn't care how big you are, how small you are. Okay? Market will test your patience a lot. But once you align your mindset with the market and you start understanding, Tesla put went green, closed for profit. Tesla short position closed for profit. $16,355. Excellent. NEO call green. NEO 15 May $5 long call in profit right now. I'm not closing it. I'll continue holding this one. Okay. All right. Having a headache again. I'll stay as long as possible. My cough is a little bit better. Oracle, Meta, SMCI, etc. Not just speculative, it's just also. Yeah, and that's why it's that, and that's why it's called manipulation. Market is not normal. Please understand, there are few things going on. First, Bank of Japan increasing the interest rate. Understand the macroeconomics around the market before you panic or short sell or sell or you buy anything. Understand what the hell is going on. Bank of Japan interest rate increase. Okay, what will happen? The money will flow out of US market. Point number one. Market is manipulated highly because they want to control the Bitcoin price at point of control line or Ethereum. Institutions are loading on the other hand. Midterm election, volatility crash. There is no volatility in the market, and that's why it's so frustrating looking at the market right now. Last couple of weeks, at least for 3 weeks, has been going on the same story because there is no volatility. Look at the VIX. Where is the volatility? You see here in October, look, 20th of November, where was the volatility? 28.31 VIX. Where is the VIX today? 14. There's no volatility in the market. And how do you expect to make daily profit or big profit when there is no volatility? This has to rise. The volatility has to come back to the market. That's why the market feels like boring. Oh, what the hell is going on? Everybody is like, what the hell is going on? You see that? Sideline volatility right here. Time to time, the market stays sideline. You see that? From here, sideline, bounce, sideline, bounce, sideline, bounce. Sideline here, down here, bounce, down, sideline. What will happen here? The bounce is coming in the volatility. And again, when there is no volatility in the market, what happens? The options premium get crushed. There is no option premium. If you go and sell a call or anything now, there is no premium except Tesla, because Tesla is a high valued stock. Okay, or Costco or Netflix, not Netflix, Neo, decent profit, $5 call, shooting up. I told you. Here you go. Tima bullish cross, profit counting. Just pay attention where the money is. Instead of just looking at where, oh, why I bought this trade, what the hell is going on, you know, look for money where you can make it. You see that? Neo, you see the expand again, back retracement. Oh, my head is shit. Yeah, that's how it works. That's how it works. Market is in manipulation. SMCI, look what happened in this one particular candle. You see that? Look. And I've been saying SMCI will go up from here. What they did. So 29.79, and right in the next candle, the volume came back. That's what the manipulation is all about. Look at this one. Tesla 465. 495, I have been saying, and I said 1,000 times, not one time, 1,000 times. Every single video I mentioned 20 times, Tesla is overvalued, Tesla is overvalued. How many of you shorted Tesla? I ask you, and then you will say, I did not take a trade. Who stopped you? Who stopped you to take a trade when I'm shorting in front of you on a live screen every single day? And I just closed. When I say a stock is overvalued, then you don't want to short. When it dropped, then you'll be asking, oh, can I still buy the put on this one? It's already dropped. Then I say buy the stock. Like today, I'm telling you, buy Mara, buy SMCI, hold your BMNR. Now that giving you a trouble and panic. 30 days from now, when the Mara will be trading at 15, SMCI will be trading at 50, then you'll be asking, can I buy now? But now when it's trading at the bottom, you are scared. That's how market plays with you. It's not difficult to train your brain. See the breakout? Look at this one. What the hell? The candle. Look at just this candle. Hold on this. Hold. That's it. How many times I pinpointed SMCI? Just 10 minutes back, I told you SMCI is overvalued. Only two stock I told you undervalued. SMCI and Mara today. Right? And I told you hold BMNR, institution are buying. There is no third stock in the market which is undervalued. There is only two stock, Mara, SMCI, the most undervalued stock in the market today. And Amazon is your momentum stock. Like it will continue going upward. That's it. If you don't understand the manipulation in the market and then you cry, oh my God, what's happening? What's happening? Nothing is happening. When it's a buy opportunity, you don't buy. When the price goes above the 50 EMA, then you'll be chasing SMCI. Same thing for the Mara. When it will go to 13, 14 area, then you'll be chasing. What happened to BMNR? Here we go. That's it. It went to 27. Now it's 29. I just told you, if you are panic, go and buy the married put on 27. What would happen to your put right now? You just lost $2 because you don't have patience. I don't have put. That's why having patience is important. You don't panic when the price is near the value area low. You should be panicking when the price is near the value area high, 42. The real panic on BMNR should be at 42. That's where you should panic, that let me sell the call right away and let me buy the put, because it will go back again from 42. This is your lottery. This is your gift. Someone is giving you a free gift. Hey, here is the free gift. And you are saying, no, 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 no. I doubt. It's free. When things is cheap, then you are panic. And when the things are expensive, then you are crying. The only thing you should panic on BMNR when the price goes to 42. And why should you panic? Look here, this selling wick. This is the area you should be panic. Not here. This is where you panic when the price goes back to this selling pressure. What shall I do? How do I protect my capital from the next sell-off? From 42, next sell-off. So I buy the put at 42, add the money put on BMNR, I sell the covered call, and I continue holding my position. This is the panic area. Generally, retail investor panic in a wrong place. They don't understand where to panic. Tesla, for example. So the price, I'm telling you, it will go to 334, right? Where is the panic area? Panic area is here. This was your panic area, right here, this wick, 498. That was your panic. That why the hell I'm greedy to buy this when I know that there's a shit about to happen. The price has gone double from 273 and to 490. That was the panic area. And where the panic will be, real panic will come when the price will go to 320 area. Then people will say, oh my God, it's dropping, it's dropping. But that's where it's supposed to go. Problem is when the price is 490, people don't understand where the price will go. I know it will go to 330 area. Why should I panic after 330? Let's say I buy at 330, then it goes to 310. Why should I panic when I know that it's eventually meant to go to 330 area? I bought it few dollars early. It's fine. Okay. Sorry. I still have my short position active on the S&P 500. Coming back, just came back about $160. Still holding a loss of $1,005. So I'm okay with it. I'll continue holding that because I've collected about $67,000 from the market. So I'm okay with it. All right. I'm trying to find. Mara is bouncing off. Here you go. Here you go. One candle just now. Look at the candle. And these two candles, what does these two candles telling you? When you know it, then your 90% of panic goes away. And that's why I've been saying there is an education channel in our Discord. Keep reading, keep learning. One of the user who has been in the Discord for 4 months and now asking me, what is Tesla short? How to short? You see the awareness scandal? Another awareness scandal. What is about to happen? The price will about to have a big reverse upside. We already have a buyer strength showing in this particular candle. This is the buyer strength in the body, holding volume. Holding volume means there are people, those who are buying and stacking the stock. Means they are holding. And that's what we need. When people buy and hold their position, the price goes up. It's normal. It's normal. I have said it 4,000 times. Retail investor will always panic when it's time to buy. And they will always be greedy when it's time to sell. It's very simple. It's very simple. It takes time. Just start doing opposite of the market. Your 90% problem is solved. Just come to a market with the mindset. Whatever the market will show me, I'll do the opposite. You have done things, let's say, oh, I think circle will go up. Okay. When the price was at 180, 91, you were thinking, oh, price is going up. I'll go up. Just do the bloody opposite. How the hell I knew it? The price at 91 will go to 74. How did I know this trend? Look at this one. Sell side liquidity right in this area. I was panicked. You panic where you know where the sell is sitting. When we were here, this candle was here. You cannot say that this candle was not visible when we were on 22nd of December. The candle on 12th of December was not visible. You can't deny that fact. So this candle was already there. So this selling pressure was already there. So even a dog can sniff around that there is a selling pressure right in this area. And the price will sell off once again. That's it. And then where it will go? Buying pressure right here. Previous liquidity and bounce back. Previous liquidity, exhaustion gap and bounce. A lot of people, they buy the stock and the stock is stuck in a pattern. Okay, let's say in a triangle, symmetrical triangle, or double bottom or anything. Problem is they don't have patience to let the pattern complete. Pattern will complete in 10 days, 20 days, 30 days. Then the price will break out once that pattern is complete. Not just because you bought it on this particular candle. Let's say you bought it Meta right here. Let's say you bought it Meta right here. Okay. Here or anywhere. Okay. It was a zigzag pattern here. Multiple bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiple time price came to this liquidity. If you buy here, here, doesn't matter that because you bought it, the price has to go up. It has to take all this liquidity. You see the liquidity right here, and then the price will bounce. Liquidity sweep again on Meta. The price will bounce. On next candle will be bullish. You can do the scalping on this one. 981, nice BMNR, 4% green. BBI 580, Amazon 322. Okay, Amazon liquidity sweep, 50 EMA rejection. You can have a trade re-entered. Nike, yep, Nike. We are in profit. Long wick, I will exit the trade. You see this wick? That's it. I don't care if Bill Gates owns the stock. Or who owns it? Steve Jobs or someone? Who the hell is that? Apple. Who is that? What's his name? I don't know. Steve Jobs or something? I don't even know his name. Who bought Nokia? Nike. Who was that? Can someone point the name? Yeah, Tim Cook. Okay. So I don't give a damn that Tim Cook bought the NKE. Okay. If there is this wick, I'm out. This wick is not good. I'll post the alert. Book profit on, because we have barely any investment in NKE. It was a long synthetic spread. All right. We don't own the share. From now onward, we will not be owning any share. It was a risk reversal trade. Book profit on that trade. Our price target was 64, but we got the liquidity swap before that. Will be out. So we booked the profit 2 different places today. Tesla short and NKE risk reversal trade. We are also looking to re-enter Amazon, which we booked the profit on Friday. And I can guarantee you, look at this chart right now. Look at this chart. Okay. In few minutes, someone will be asking me, is it good to buy NKE? We bought it. We are booked the profit just now. Right now we are booking the profit. And now someone will come and say, Saf, you closed? Very good. Okay. So I can guarantee you tomorrow or day after, people asking me, is it good to buy Nike when we close the trade? I don't know where do they go when I say open the trade and buy the stock as much as possible. Two, 10, 11, 5. Okay. Very good. Yeah, I know that. I was like fed up this morning with the question. This is where I was the only bear on the Tesla when the price was here. Okay, right here, 495. I told everyone short Tesla, short Tesla, short Tesla at least 1,000 times. And someone asking me today, right here at 470, right here, 470, 68 area, right here. What's the short for Tesla? What do you mean by that? There has been $30 drop per share since we call it a short sell. And I'm trolling people on the social media every single day about Tesla because the people were bullish. They were sending it to 500, 600. And in my group itself, one person is asking me, what is the short entry for Tesla? I was like, really? I'm trolling the bull on the social media because we shorted and they were bullish. $464. There will be one bounce on Tesla here. Okay. Let me see. Go to 1 hour time frame. So what will happen? There will be one bounce. Tesla will give us a lower high right here. You see the wick right here? Stopping volume, the price will retrace exactly the previous liquidity. That's how you start identifying the market and not to panic. Right here, you see the liquidity right here? So higher high, last high. Last high means first liquidity, second liquidity. First one is taken right in this wick. Second one is taken in this wick. The price will give us a bounce back to point of control line. And then it will sell next time back into 440 area. So now all short position must close. The price will go up from here. Internal buy side, internal buy liquidity will come here. Something like this, and then further down. But it will be a short-lived relief rally inside. Stock is still bearish. Look how much I have been trolling people about the bulls, those who are calling this stock going to 500, 700, 800. Nothing goes straight in line up. Nothing goes straight in line down. Please understand this. Market travel in wave. That's called Elliott wave. The day you understand this basic concept, you will get your idea. Look at this one, 488. Tesla is a great company, but it won't make people rich. All right, 646. Right, precisely. You see, this candle, the body of this candle is being pushed upside in the body of this candle. There is a lot of story here. Let me bring you the golden line. You see here, this wick. Sorry, a little bit down right here. So this wick right here, and this wick came down. That's a spring of your sell side, and the body being pushed up by the buyer here. That's telling you a story that the price will have a reversal from here. So no short position on Tesla anymore. Job done. Roughly 10%. If this body closes down the golden line, then entirely bearish trend. If the body is closing above, then there is a reversal. So just keep watching this particular candle on an hourly time frame. So within next, you call it 34 minutes, we will have a clarity. VIX is coming back, golden cross on the VIX. BMNR is holding 29. What is retested on BMNR? All three EMA retested. SPY dropping, we have our short position. 30.84, what a solid wick. Okay, this was a retracement. The buyer are back. Stop panicking on a retracement. Stop panicking. You should know that stock will retrace. The problem is when the price is here at 24, goes to 40, you are excited. But you forget that it can retrace up to 98% of this entire run. I'm having a headache right now. Yeah, someone can say anything. I can say America will go to war with Vanuatu island. Any island, any inhabited island. Is there any inhabited island on the planet when there is no one lives on the? Okay, let's say any island. Let's find an island and then I'll tell you how easy it is to say anything. Okay, there is an island called Devon Island in Canada. Okay, and there is practically no one lives on that island. Okay, so the America will go to war tomorrow with the Devon Island, right? Make sense? Yeah. America can go to war. Who is stopping America to go to war with Devon Island? There is no one on the island. Where was that guy who is calling Bitcoin will crash 50% now? Now he's calling Bitcoin to crash 50%. Where was this guy at when the Bitcoin was trading at 126? Right? Understand the psychology of people. 90% people think the same way, same direction. It's a herd mentality. It's not easy to think opposite of masses. Okay? Because now here everyone in panic. So anyone telling you, oh, the Bitcoin can crash to 30%, and suddenly your brain comprehend that situation. Oh yes, it's possible. If we can fall from 126 to 87, we can go from 87 to 50 as well. Yeah, it's all nonsense. What happened to that highest IQ guy. Highest IQ in the world. What is this guy? In the world says BTC to 200K year end. He was the highest IQ guy, right? Oh, now the AI doesn't even know that there is a highest IQ guy. Okay, world highest recorded IQ holder says, look at this guy. Okay, it's on YouTube. What is it say? So the world highest IQ holder predict the Bitcoin to hit 220K in next 45 days. So if he has the highest IQ in the world, and he thinks the Bitcoin will go to 40 in 45 days, starting from 17 November, it's not going even 100,000. So the high IQ YouTuber, all this nonsense doesn't work in trading industry. It's all bullshit. World highest IQ, total bullshit. Korean YouTuber, total bullshit. Nobody knows anything. No one in this world knows where the hell Bitcoin will go. No one, including myself. Okay. No one knows. No one. Otherwise, everyone will be rich. No one knows. Only thing we can calculate based on technical analysis where the price is going from here. What do I see on the chart? Okay. So let's look at what do I see. On a daily time frame, price has been in consolidation for a long time. Price stuck in the point of control line. There's a liquidity grab already happened. If you go down here, you see that previous order block. This was the order block, the red right here. You see the previous order block before the major breakout. Okay. Then from this point, if you look at, we are marking the higher high in a kind of a wedge and failing to break. Okay. So just keep understanding line by line what's happening. So when we were sitting at here, where were the liquidity? Point number one, point number two, and this was the biggest liquidity. Okay. Which I precisely called the precise price will go to 98 and nothing can stop in this world. That was exact line. Even if the God comes down from heaven to earth, he cannot stop Bitcoin to go to 98. And what happened? Exactly 98 and bounce. Further down, even I didn't know that. Even I did not calculate. I was 100% sure at 126, the Bitcoin will go to 98. Okay. Then now what we are looking at, now I can same confidence, I can tell you that. You see this order block right here, this. Nothing in this world can stop Bitcoin to go to 107. Nothing. There is no power in this world which can stop it. After 107, I don't know. I don't know. But technical analysis only goes to 107. After 107, then we will look at, once we reach 107, then we will do the further analysis and we'll see where the price is going, which kind of candle we have, where is the liquidity, where is the market structure shifted. From here, I'm looking at the bottom 80,000 and I'm looking at the top 107. That's it. That's my next range. After 107, it will go to $1 million. I don't know. Nobody knows. And anybody thinks he knows or he has a high IQ, he should be in jail, not on the social media, if he thinks he knows. Yeah, people just play. And never trust any article, any YouTuber, anyone. These are all piece of shit. They know nothing. Anyone who is on YouTube, including myself, okay? My channel is non-monetized and you will never see my face on YouTube. There's a reason for that. People pay their bill from the YouTube income, which people don't understand. If they are paying their bill, credit card bill from YouTube income, they are doing nothing. They have no idea what trading is all about. They are not trader. They are YouTuber. A trader is not looking for any income from YouTube. I don't give a damn Like I need to monetize my channel or I need to show my face and build my branding. I don't give a damn. I can just click 2 times on the chart and make the same money. Why do I have to wait for a check coming from the YouTube for $1,400, $1,500, or even $2,000 when I can just go and double my short position on Tesla when I was 100% sure that Tesla will tank, and I already know where the bottom is. So when I already know the bottom is 330 area or maximum 303. So when I identify the bottom, instead of promoting myself on YouTube, wasting time, editor, hire content, this, that, why don't I just double my position and go long synthetic on Tesla and increase my profit by 20%, 20 times, not 20%? Why the hell I need a YouTube for? People don't understand basic stuff. Hold. This is not your time for learning. Hold your trade. Your problem is you're not willing to hold anything. A good trader doesn't need YouTube income. Trust me. All this, the gurus and all this, they're all bullshit around the whole day. Selling courses, selling masterclass, this, that, and nonsense. All right. So what do we see on the BMNR? 2850, still holding this level. We are good here. Price is spinning. Bull $8, highly undervalued, highly unexpected price area. Okay. It should have never been at this area. It should hold anywhere between 12-13 zone. Okay, let's find a trade somewhere and then we'll do some good trade. Okay. See, what did I say? This particular candle, rejection on EMA, the next candle is green. I just told you, look at this one, 230, $2 already in just one candle. Right here. So these kind of candle you should be identifying. That's your like key area of trading. When you have a candle like this one and suddenly there is a push, spread candle, the wick upside and the 3-4 times wick on the downside, right there price will reverse. Very next candle the price will go up. Sorry. All right, let's go. Circle is bouncing nice on hourly time frame. Let's see if we have some good trade setup. Neo 529, excellent. See what changed in your life? 5 days the Neo trade was red, and today, boom, that's it. That's what all you need. How many times I told you Neo? 474 was our entry. Remember? Precisely 474. Where did the price go? Look, where did the price go? 473. Where was our entry? 474. That's how precise by the 1 cent we bought it. And I'm holding. I've not booked the profit yet. $5 call. I'm just thinking. I'm just looking at this candle. I might be looking for an exit. Quick in and out. But we don't need to. Those who want to hold long, this will just start running from here. First liquidity right here. Right here. Okay. 621 area where we shorted the put. Right here. Team are bullish. 100% confirmation. Price will continue going upward. Why to panic when the dollar is coming? Open on weekly. Open. My head is like, it's about to blast. I have a half side pain, like it's kind of a migraine situation. Okay. So you want open on weekly basis. All right. So first of all, 4-hour time frame, good retracement, good to add a position here. At $9, I told everyone to get the hell out of everything and don't look back. If you look on the Discord open, you'll see that. Precisely 9:01, I said get the hell out of everything. Yeah. Hot water. All right. So open on, first we'll do on a daily time frame to understand where the price is going. Okay. Okay. So where is the price heading? After this run up, you know that where the price is heading. Okay, let's look at. So this was the ultimate low. Okay. This was the ultimate low. Price had a break of structure here. So this become our next low of the trend. Okay. So right here. So this become our current low. Will the price come here? Price will not come to this point. Price is not coming here. So at least you have identified where the price is not coming. Okay. Now, is this the change of character right here? No. Why it's not the change of character? I don't see the change of character anywhere among, not even this one, because this candle did not break the high of the low of this candle. And this candle did not break the low of this candle. So we have to figure out where do we take the low, which liquidity we refer to. So I will go with the order block, this one. Because it's a kind of a complicated chart. Right now, the price is definitely taking down this point. Okay. This is where the price is definitely going 525. Nothing can stop that. 525. Okay. So that's the first referral point. We got it. 525 is kind of an imminent area. And there is another reference point here. So which is coming at 557. So these two golden line, you pay close attention. This is where the price is coming. So price has a little bit more downside here. Okay. So 529, 557 is like an imminent area. Now we have to find out where the hell is the bottom, because this chart is ugly here. So let's switch to the Ranko candle and see where the price played its game. Okay, so right from here, 109. Okay, bloody hell. Okay, let's go to 4-hour time frame. All right, so this is definitely the ultimate low. Those who are not able to see the candle and identify, always switch to Ranko chart. This way it's easy. You see that? Absolute low, next low. So this become our automatically low. Now we need to find out where our bottom is. So this is where our bottom is on this one, because we have this upside wick and the downside. This red candle had no upside wick, means there was no selling pressure. So this is where the price had a spin, like what do you call this, dodge candle, right? So this is most likely is the next bottom, which around 420 area. So anywhere from 557 to 420 area is your buy zone. The price will not go below that. Okay. You see that the green candle with the wick down here. So this is where the buying pressure came. The first pressure was here, which is already taken. Now the next pressure is here. So this is where the buyer were. So buyer is sitting somewhere around the 420 area and 597 area. Right now, the next candle formation is in red. We see the selling pressure right here. Sell going on. Okay, we have the lower high area, and then we are taking down the previous low, means change of structure already happened here. If I show you, Ranko chart is easy for analysis, like if you are new, especially. And sometimes when I get confused with the chart, I also switch to Ranko chart. So this black line is your bearish structure shift. Okay, and now this is our equal low, which is at 511, and this is our liquidity area of equal low 2. Okay, so 420 and 516, 520 and 420. These two area you'll be monitoring. That's it. So then it will form the similar structure: down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 420, and then this kind of structure. This thing will repeat right from here. So if you are looking to buy, this is the kind of run you are looking at. And this makes a perfect sense to take the previous high liquidity grab. Okay. So from 520, 420, two area. Short the put at 520, buy the share at 420, exit all trade at 8 area. That's 100% run. So I'm posting in the group, open, short put at 5.20 and buy share at 4.20, then all exit at $8 plus. That's it. It's that simple. Ranko chart is quite easy to understand once you try to play around. Okay, I generally don't follow Ranko chart because it's always late to one candle. Okay, because see, this candle is formation, but we don't know what will happen. But for the analysis, when you are like when you don't get the clear clear direction, then you switch to Ranko chart, so you will have a clear, like, see on this one it's very easy to see the lower high, higher high. You see that high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower, another lower high of the entire trend. So it's quite easy to understand the structure on this one. Ape is overvalued, highly overvalued stock. You see that? What do you see? This is where the ultimate low is, $209, now trading 300% high premium. Stock was 7th April. When the market crashed, it was trading at $200, now trading 300% high. What do you see here? The price on the green candle failing to break. Same time, we have a red candle with a wick, and next time, even bigger wick. This is the spring of this entire trade. 1, 2, 3, and you have a wick. Same candle, wick even higher. Spring, the price will sell off. App is overvalued. Bitcoin selling off, equal low, equal high, range bound. Okay. When the market is range bound, it's normal to be frustrated, but that's what the manipulation is all about. The day you program yourself few things. Okay. Point number one, market is not here to give you the money. Point number one. Okay. Market is not here to give you the money. Point number one. Point number two, as soon as you buy, the price will go up, is the worst mindset, that you bought it and now the price should go up. Okay. And third thing, that market is a fair place to play. No, it's a manipulated. It's a playground for the elites. Someone with 5,000, 10,000, 30,000, 50,000, 100,000, thinking he will invest and he'll make money. You are the same one when the two bulls are fighting and you are like a grass on the ground. Please understand. A grass is trying to grow and there are two bulls fighting on the ground. They are sitting there to crush. Please understand, once you identify your position in the market, then you start working accordingly. Your mindset start developing accordingly. You are the grass on the ground and there are two big bulls fighting just above you. Nobody gives a damn if someone investing $5,000 and I just bought it $5,000 of Tesla. Why it's not going up? Who gives a damn about your 5,000? It's a $1 trillion company. Just think about $5,000 versus 1 trillion. Where do we stand? A small investor. You are up $500. Very good. That's what I like. That's it. $464. You know what I'm looking at on Tesla right here on the Ranko chart? This candle had no wick. This candle had a wick, means there was a selling pressure right here. So look at how easy was that on a Ranko chart. You see this green candle and this green candle both equal high. Next, the red candle formation started right here. How easy was that to short Tesla at 491 and make $30 per share? Even I did not make 30. I may have about like 22 or something, because when we in and out, we miss few dollar plus minus. But just for your information, it's not difficult. It's all about train your psychology. You will get success in trading. Train your psychology. Stay in the market no matter what happens. Stay in the market. Don't quit and say, oh my God, market is not for me. Market will always kick you out when market is at the bottom. Always understand. Market never let anyone exit at the top. Market always kick out people, make them frustrated and out of the market at the bottom. Stay in the market. It takes time, but everyone can become successful in market. And learning is the only way. Keep learning, keep learning, keep learning, keep trying to polish your strategy. Okay, this is what I will follow. This is even in my group, not necessarily that what I follow and you also follow the same thing. Okay, start practicing something. Okay, that this is the setup I will follow, and you master that setup. It's not difficult. 81, here we go. Uber, you see the bounce? What did I say about Uber in the Discord? 81.91. The price was trading at 78, $3 up already. Which two stocks were picked? Amazon and Uber? Which were these two stocks? What date is that? 22nd to 2nd December? Where is Uber? Oversold at the support equal low. What is that? Uber here? What was that? Yesterday night. The weekly update, right? Take advantage of this information. Don't just sleep. Oh, Sunny's keep posting information and you are not even looking at this one. Every single stock of my watch list is here. Which one you not to trade near the resistance? You sell the call on them or short the stock. Stable range bound. If you are holding your position, you sell the covered call on them or near the support. You short the put on these stock, and these stock are good to buy and hold your position. Weekly basis, I'm giving you every single stock. And 90% of you are not even looking at this information. I know that. Because no one asked any question about this information or about the weekly. If there is no question, means nobody is listening. Nobody is looking at this information. Otherwise, there would be question. Neo was in the oversold. Uber was in the oversold. Baba, Costco, DVLT, HIMS, Lee, MSTR, Mayo, Netflix, Neo, Oscar. If you don't look at the information, don't take the advantage. Don't you think it's too late? I just closed my Tesla short. Wait for recovery now. And then, yes, let the price retest. One minute is like too small because what do I see here? This red channel down here failing, heavy selling pressure. The previous candle broken by the low volume. It's a confirmed breakout here. Okay. I generally don't look at chart under 5 minutes because 1 minute you can go wrong. No matter how good you are in analysis, you can go wrong. If you're scalping, it's fine, but where's the bull flag? This thing? The flag is bigger than the pole, so it's not a bull flag. No. If this is, you are considering a pole, and this is the entire range is a flag, the flag can't be bigger than the pole, right? The pole would have stopped here and then bounced from here. So generally, there are a lot of rules behind this. You see that from here to here, it should have been here and then bounce here, like this one, like go up from here only. Not that keep going like zigzag, zigzag, all the way. You know, the flag cannot keep like someone has a flag in New York and it's flying all the way to Montreal. This is not how it should be. Coin 212, that's the bottom. See, bottom is not really, you can say that, oh, why the bottom did not come. And that's why I always buy early. My entry is always early in a trend. And that's why my position first go in loss. Okay. Quite a few position you will see as soon as we buy, they still go in a loss before they recover. Because I'm an early entry. I always take early entry in the trend. So if you're looking at 212, okay, that's the bottom of coin. And let me show you where it's coming from. Practically, it should give you, okay, but I can't give you the guarantee that it will go to 212. The guarantee was here. This was the guaranteed price. Because when the price was here at 430, this was our first liquidity, this was our second liquidity. So this price coming down price to 438 was guaranteed that sooner or later price will go to this point. How soon it will go, I had no idea, but I knew it, the price will go to this one. It may go zigzag 20 times, but eventually the price will take down this liquidity. Now 212 is, there is no liquidity at 212. I think it's coming from here, this wick. No, there's no liquidity for 212. That's the ultimate bottom. If we have a bear trap under this point, you see that the price came here exactly, and then the bounce, and then again selling off. If we have a bear trap here, then we can definitely go to 212. Otherwise, there is no guarantee for that. You can't say, oh, why didn't it go to 212? I don't know. It can turn anytime. 238 was the guarantee. 212 is not the guarantee. Same way on Tesla, right here, you see that? Now, this point, 389, is the guarantee. I can give you in writing the price will go to 389. 100%. Nothing can stop that. Possible, this point, 300, which is our next bottom, there is no guarantee price will go to this point. I don't know. It may not go. So just take down this liquidity right here, 370 area, and bounce again. Okay. So understand, there is a guaranteed confirmed liquidity zone. So from here, will we go here? Here. Yes. 100%. Not even 99.9%. And then we may bounce back like this. Okay. Second, can we go from here to here and then bounce back? Possible. We want the price to come here. But is this a guarantee the price will go to 300? No, I don't know. No one knows. But this point, yes, this is the guaranteed point. This nothing can stop it. Price will go here, which is your 392 area. This area is imminent. This area is expected. So you need to understand what is the thought behind the price target, because this is ultimate low. But the problem in this ultimate low is because this was the part of a symmetrical triangle. Okay, this is not a normal low. If this zone would have not been here, and just like one drop. Okay, let me show you. You see here, one drop, like price went up, one drop went up. Then this become our ultimate low. Next become our ultimate low. This is the part of a formation here. Means the consolidation happened before the breakout in this area, right here. So when consolidation happened, there is no guarantee the price will go and consolidate again in the same area. That will be so obvious move. So that's why I'm saying price will take a U-turn anywhere between 334, 350, 303. No one knows where the precisely right now. But in that zone, the price will bounce. It will not, it's not going to 273 where it was before the breakout when we caught the symmetrical triangle, 273. Right here. You see that? 273. Where was that? Right here. Yeah, this symmetrical triangle was at 273. This is when precisely we call the symmetrical triangle breakout. So 273 not happening. No matter how bad the market is, Tesla is not going to 73. We will find a new trend somewhere here. 350 area, 330 area. Once we reach there, most likely we will have a confirmation. First rejection definitely at 390 and bounce. Something like this, and then like this, and then from here all the way shoot up. So this point is confirmed. This point is confirmed 391. A bounce from 391 equal low bounce is also confirmed. But then this last leg, where it will go, no one knows yet, because we are a little far from that trend. When a lot of people on social media draw the line like this one, you know, like five crack, like left, right is zigzag. Oh, this is how the price will go. No, nobody gives a damn. Nobody knows. You only know the first point, the current leg, where the current leg will go. And anybody thinks, oh, the price will follow this path. So it will go drop here, then it will go up, then it will drop. Then we will have a small bounce, then it will have a long, and then we'll have a shoot up like this. He's a bloody liar, just drawing a line, random line XYZ and clickbait and for like buttons from the social media. That's it. He knows nothing. He won't be sitting and posting his chart on social media if he knows everything. All right, Uber is a good stock. If those who are not in Uber, you can short ATM put for 15th of May. All right, let me see what's the question here. Yes, that's what I mean. Yes, that's what I said. So when you go to Tesla, when the price is dropping, this trend will, because we are looking on 1 hour time frame. Overall, we are bearish. Like overall trend is bearish 100%. Okay, but it's internal confirmation. What will happen here on a daily time, on an hourly time frame? What will happen? The price is below 50 EMA, 100% bearish, 100% confirmed. Now the stop loss will trigger, the panic will trigger, everything will happen. The people are already in panic. Those who are thinking buy Tesla 498, 495 and thinking 529 or 600, even 700. Trust me, I have seen a lot of tweet. 500, then people literally trolling each other. Oh boy, just wait. You will see 500, 600, 700. And then we will have a party. These kind of tweets, now all of them have disappeared because they knew it. Okay, so what we are looking at, we are re-looking for a retest of 50 EMA like this a little bit and then sell off like this. So the first point is a retest 50 EMA from downside. We have not retested. You see, since we're dropping, we need to retest. So this current drop need to give us a little of what do you call relief rally, few dollar recovery, and then sell off once again. But it will be just a relief rally, nothing else. because market never sell in a single direction. Like it started selling off, and then keep selling off. Okay, $70 short put on Uber is good for 15th of May. May. Do we have a premium or yeah, $70 put giving us 2.65. Not huge premium. I think for May, 5 months, $2. The premium is bloody painful. There should be a premium like $7, $8 here. Okay, what shall we do? We go bi-weekly in that case. Let's look at Uber right here. So I'm just running a little bit of checks on Uber here. So give me a second. All right. So 4-hour time frame, we are bullish on this one. We have claimed the 9 EMA. RSI is bullish. Low volume breakout. Every setup is good. Low volume breakout of the previous candle, spread candle. 1 day daily time frame, the volume is declining, price is going up. Okay, I think we'll retest one more time down here before we break out. Okay, overlooks good area to me. Then we'll go to here. We'll also go on a Finwiz, Uber. Okay. All right. Marvazu down. Should be fair value gap area 84. All right, I'm just running the Uber check. Let's see what's going on here. Daily time frame. 80.37 wave A, B, C, 85, 89.58. Which one is this leg? Impulsive 1, 4. Okay, liquidity right here 64. Ultimate low not happening. Liquidity right here. Okay, so this point was the ultimate low, 81.39. Okay, so I think we have taken all the liquidity starting from 7th of May. This entire top liquidity is taken right here. So we'll have another lower high area, another bounce, 89.58. 89.58. Yeah, we are going precisely to 89.58 here. 89 area, yeah. The closing of this candle, 90.44. So everything is pointing to $90 on Uber. Yeah, I feel I really need to get well. My head is like, right now it feels like someone is drilling in my head. It's so painful. Uber, all righty. Uber. Okay, 9th of January. So this bounce, and then after 9th of January, the Uber will sell off once again. So it's an internal bounce as expected. Okay, so this is internal bounce right here. Internal bounce and then another sell-off. We can only trade a small scalp on this one. Let's see what the hell is going on here. Next premium. Okay, we're on the put side. Put call side are pumping. Okay. 70 to 50 put. Yeah, they will take the price to this area. A very interesting $90 call. You see that? How $90 call is on the top. Open interest 90. Where is the trend line coming from? 90. Where is the hour chart suggest that closing of this candle? 90.41. So this everything has a mathematics. Market is working on this. If you don't understand, you think, oh, so someone has an unusual option. Where is this closing of this candle? 90. Where is the trend line? 90. Where is the option call? 90. People, those who understand and knows the market, they buy the particular strike price. Okay. When you look at the unusual option, that's not random. A lot of people don't understand. They think, oh, someone just bought the $90 call. There is a high open interest on 90. There is a reason for that. Someone knows that chart. Why there is a highest open interest on $90 call? Because that's where the resistance is. This pink line right here. Closing of this particular candle. If I can draw it for you. This one. It's all mathematics. All mathematics. Sooner you understand the market mathematics, faster you will succeed. There's nothing random, nothing luck here. Right here. See here the price target right here. 90.61, $90. Yeah. Everything is happening for a reason. Sorry. Oh yes, it might help. I don't know why the hell I'm having this headache. Okay. What's the hell NEO is doing now? 529. Those who want the NEO call profit to be booked, you can book it. There's a decent profit now. I have a short put, so I'll continue holding my call, so it doesn't matter. Because at 621, I shorted the put for $5. Yeah. And I have the $5 15th of May call. So it's a long synthetic. So it doesn't matter. More it go up, more dollar it will make. I'm happy to hold my trade. Okay. So let's find some new trade today. Here you go. This is the stock you were talking about. APE. Someone asked the question and I said it's overvalued. Right here. Look what happened. When did I just tell you APE? Who asked APP? In the pre-market, someone asked me to cover APP, and I told you it's highly overvalued. And if you shorted the stock right here at 930, if you shorted at 726, just think about you are $34, $40 per share in profit. That's 6%. That's how you take advantage. How difficult was that? Knowing the stock is overvalued. I clearly told you it's overvalued. And yesterday, in the Discord, it was alerted. And even last week, it was alerted when the price was at the left, like there is a double top. It wasn't top number one. It was also alerted there. Start taking advantage of this information. Don't ignore this. Some of you are struggling because you're not listening. Where is APE? APPP, APPP, here you go. You see that APP? What is that? Which category it was put in? Near the resistance and overbought, sell the calls. APP. Right here. Even in the Discord, people are not looking at this information. That's the problem. And then they say, oh, I did not make enough money. I haven't taken this trade. I have taken that trade. Because you're not taking advantage of the information which is being provided to you. Goldman Sachs was marked as overbought. Booking.com was marked as overbought. Tesla was alerted as a short sell. NEM was marked as overbought. And look, what a beautiful candle. Where is NEM? If you don't take the advantage of your information which is given to you and just 100% rely, oh, when Sunny will say, then only I will hit the button. It's really difficult that way. You need to start scalping a little bit on the side, knowing, build your confidence so that you have a confidence in the market. Where's GS? Overbought right here, alerted last night. You see the 7:48 p.m. yesterday. GS was alerted, Booking.com was alerted, APE was alerted. And what is going on? APE is selling off, Booking.com is selling off, GS is selling off. Tesla for last 10 days, I was telling you, it's overvalued. Tesla is selling off. NEM, new mount. Where is NEM? Where is that? In this list, NEM here. NEM was alerted as overbought yesterday. If you're not paying information at this particular weekly information, not even a single person in the Discord is paying information. Let me tell you that. Not even a single person. I have not seen a single question about this information for weeks on weeks. Nobody's asking any question about this. What to do, which stock is in which category, what do you think about this? They're just, oh, okay, one more post in the Discord and ignore, and busy in a Discord chat saying, oh, I'm in panic on BMNR. That's it. SPY, price spin at the high, sell-off is imminent. QQQ, selling off, red, trend line, already started. Where were both? SPY and QQQ. Here is your QQQ and here is your SPY. Here is your Rivian, UL, and Tesla. If you don't take advantage of this information, what can I do? What can I do? If you just sit here, put your hand on the hand and say, oh, why I did not make $200? My account is going down. I didn't do anything. Because you're not taking action. That's why I've done training upon training, training after training, that you start taking your decision. At least make $200 your own every day. Overall market direction, I'll guide you. Yes, I did cover coin. We are monitoring this particular candle right here. If we have exhaustion gap, which we have in this candle right here, okay, is it gone? No, not yet. All right, we have. So on a daily time frame, if you have this exhaustion gap left right here, you see this wick and this wick. Next candle is short, 234. Right now the price is 234. If we hold this gap here, if we hold this gap between the gold line and the green line, then this is the bottom and the price will bounce right from here. So this gap is the closest thing you need to monitor. No, why 10th of January? Why 23rd of January call? Why? Don't you think it's a 0 DT call? The theta will kill your premium. Yes, that you can do. Yeah. You can sell the put for 30th of January, but you can't buy the call for, yeah, May is good. When you're looking to buy something, always remember, it's not a rocket science. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry knows. Every options premium has a theta. When you want to buy something, you want to buy the expiry far in time, May, June, so that theta works for you. It does not take your premium away. Okay, so it lets your premium grow. When you want to sell an option, you sell under 45 days where theta works for you, for your favor. So you sell something and theta take the premium away. Means that theta decay will be your profit. So when you buy something in options, buy for 120 days and more expiry, right? And to understand this concept, why you have to put $1 for 10th of January expiry and make $1? Why can't you just put $3 for 15th of May expiry and still make $1? Your profit is 100 from there, 100 from here. It's the same thing. But there you have more chance to make money because theta is not killing you. Same way you want to sell something for 30 days, 40 days, bi-weekly, 3-weekly. That's it. Where theta works for you. All right. So excellent candle, momentum candle, low volume. Yeah, this looks like a very good candle to start the trend. $686.96 and dropping, very good. One of my SPY short position just went in profit. Another one is still red. I need at least 2 days of head massage. It's giving me a hard time. All right, everything went red. HIMS, MARA, MSTR. SMCI put is still red. You see, nice green candle here. I told you, you cannot hold as to bounce. Where to bounce? The first high, right here, minimum. All right. 466, 465.98. Let's go to this one. I see a lot of price spin here. Have we reached to an area where we see some recovery on a 15-minute time frame? Yeah, point of control line. Okay, no. Price spin right here within this candle. None of the candle being able to break the low of this particular candle. The body is staying above. Okay, so we are looking for a little bit of retracement upside. Okay, maximum target will be the high of this particular candle, and then the price will sell off again. That's the max. Okay, otherwise it's not going there. This candle high opening is max 690, but I don't think the price will go there. Maximum it will come to 689 area. How much? It's only $1. Okay, that's fine. Oh, sorry. We are on S&P 500 and I'm thinking of Tesla. Okay, right here, what did I say? The price will retrace upside. Red candle. Very next candle is green. Price is going for retracement and then sell off once again. It's easy to identify the market. It's not a rocket science. Okay, few green candle here. and then will tank again. That's called internal buy liquidity. So let the internal buy side come. TSLQ, those who are asking about the TSLQ, will retrace. Here you go. So TSLQ will retrace, and then you buy the call again. TSLQ will go once up again, right? All you need is a patience. After so many training, if you're not scalping and you're not making money every single day, well, I don't know what to say to you. How many different strategy that I have taught you? I've taught you about EMA, I've taught you about VWAP, I've taught you about day trading, scalping, MMC, market structure, volume profile. What you have not learned about the market, just stick to one of the strategy that I want to follow this. All right, SMCI, a retracement right now, and this is just a retracement. Make sure you know that this is just a retracement, very similar you saw on Oscar. Okay, you see that? Let me pull up the Oscar chart. What did you see here on a daily time frame? What did you see on Oscar? You see that the price bounce, then retrace, and getting ready for the next bounce. It's a smaller time frame. Same thing happening on what do you call? Neo is good here. Continue bouncing. All right. Retracement happening on Neo in a smaller time frame. What's the question? RGTI? No, I haven't yet. I'm looking at RGTI. The Rigetti computer. It's a garbage. Why you want to trade Rigetti? I don't understand. Why you are so interested in this? Tell me. What is so good about Rigetti? RGTI, is that Rigetti? Is that right? That's the same RGTI Rigetti computer? Always look at, and when the price Rigetti computing, yeah, look at this one. A lot of group members are still stuck in the retail mindset. Okay, and I want them to come out as soon as possible of this nonsense. I was the only one who called all these stock fraud. QBTS, QBT, Rigetti, when they were trading at right here, 57. I was the first person to call the bubble will bust. And why it will bust? Look, this is your Rigetti computing. Supercomputer. You hang one container upside down, put some nut bolts, hang some wicks, what do you call some wire upside down, and you think suddenly you are the best advanced computing company in the world. That's it. Where is this company? Where is the head office? Berkeley. These people are just taking advantage, okay, of people. Most of these companies are operating from the bloody warehouses. I think that this one has shifted the office after that. It was backlashes everywhere. Yeah, now it's shifted. The office was really bad, really bad. Yeah, so I think now they have changed it. So that's cool. They have a decent building at least. Yeah, now they're in this building. Okay, makes sense. This is better. They were literally operating from the warehouse. The piece of shit. That all these quantum computing were the all absolutely bogus IPOs. Okay, I wouldn't touch this stock yet, at least until this point is taken. Anything under this price, which is 2132, right now trading at 2170. So we are getting to that area where you can look for a buying. Okay, but not right now. That's the problem with the people. Let me show you. I'll show you something. Where's my phone? Okay, hold on. Hold on, I'll come in a few seconds. FN, you have the phone? Oh, shit. There's a reason why retail investors always lose money, because they don't understand the market at all. And someone who understands the market, they don't listen to him. That's the problem. Because then they'll keep poking their own thought process in the trading. So right here, RGTI. QBTS. Oh, no dollars. Okay. What is this? Look at this one. Anyone pumping these stocks should go to jail. I clearly tweeted on 23rd of October. Biggest Wall Street scam in 2025. You see that? This was marked as the biggest Wall Street scam in October. And I clearly told this is a bloody scam. There's nothing changing in this world. It's fine. Quantum computing, it's alien invasion, everything is fine. Stock market doesn't work like that way. Stock market has only one thing, which is called pump and dump. The day you understand, you win the game. So what happened here? Let the clown pump QBTS, QBT, RGTI, ONQ, and we'll be waiting at the top with the sniper short entry. And look at this one. So they shorted. I alerted to short right here. Right when they were at the peak, each chart was shared. That's why I say don't fall for the crap. Understand what you need to trade. If you keep looking, oh, let me trade this, I'll make money. Let me trade this, I'll make money. Let me trade this, I'll make money. You will just keep hopping from one stock to another and you will not make money. Quantum stock looks like a beautiful shot. Which date? Look here. 19th of February. When they were all pumping. You see that? How they were going up. February itself, I picked up that this is a total garbage. And here is the result. What happened? Pump to 57, back to 21, and there is no bottom in sight. Same thing, QBTS. Pump to 47, back to 18. QBT, You need to start sensing that what the hell is going on in the market. Market, there is nothing new. Please put this thing in your brain. In stock market, there is nothing new. Nothing new. It's a damn boring business. And it's a business. When things are cheap, you buy. When things are expensive, you sell. Nothing is gifted by your grandfather that you must trade a Tesla, you must hold Rivian, you must hold Uber. Your grandfather did not write a will for you that you must own Uber or RGTI. Don't fall in love with the stock. At least those who are in our Discord, they should know this. Take the profit, get the hell out of the market, and that's it. All right, let's find the right here. I see the entry. You see that? The price has been sidelined of this particular candle for a while. So this is when I'm looking for a breakout. This particular candle will be paying attention to right here. So I'll draw this line for you so you will have a more clarity. So this candle, okay, this red candle, this high mark 329. And then what are you up to? All right, low of this particular candle right here. None of this price has been range bound since starting from 21st of November. Very similar with the Bitcoin. Once we will have a breakout along with the Bitcoin, okay, make sure these are the stock that you keep an eye. Hive, another one is Mara. Same thing. There has been a breakout of this trend, okay, and then sell off not similar to the high, but there is a different chart. What are you doing?
Just testing this.
Drone? This is not the time to fly drone.
I'm just testing if this works.
Okay. It's snowing, no drone today.
Yeah, no drone today.
Okay. Go, that is working.
No, I'm gonna get a toy so I can.
All right, here we are. Meta 557. All right. So what we are looking at, we have a 50 EMA rejection, price squeeze between the 30, 40 EMA and 50 EMA. This candle is not a bearish, not a bullish. So we just have to wait for next candle. Most likely tomorrow we'll have a clarity on this one. All righty, NCLH sell off NET. Okay, let me see the green one. Booking.com. All right. Melly. Okay. LMT. Charter. ANET. eBay. CLH. CLH is taking off right here. Okay. That's good sign. Good sign right here. Okay, but the high upside is only about $52, so another $6 upside here. So scalping on CLH is possible, but only for $6, not much. SBUX is up. I'm surprised SBUX is up. Disney, DXCM, CRM, MU. Do we have a trade somewhere? I was looking at a trade and Baba. Okay, here we go. All right. Baba, we have a breakdown today. All right. So retracing the trend line, definitely we are going back down. Okay. When we have a price which is keep retracing the resistance line like this one, we'll have one downside before the breakout. So we're not taking a trade on this one here. SMCI 30.47. We are showing the sign of bounce at the bottom. Okay. This really need to go wild. So phi just turned bearish. SXL 42.91. I have an ongoing trade on SXL. It's a kind of a symmetrical triangle, kind of. Okay, or you can call it wedge pattern right here. You see that? It's in formation, which is bullish pattern. Eventually, it will break out bullish. So what I'm looking at here is this thing right here. But this should stay here for a while. The price, you see here, right here, like this one. So this zigzag pattern has to break out eventually. So demand and supply is getting smaller and smaller like this. It's a kind of a peanut. I have a trade on SXL, ongoing trade, which is, I have quite a lot of trades setting, will settle on 16th of January. There's a lot of capital will be free. TSL trade will be out, SOXL trade will be out. And what else? Wix, no. Yeah. SOXL and TSLL right now. Okay, so here, oh, I forgot about the other account. Give me 2 minutes, I'll just log into another account and then we'll see. Back on the market, 466 Tesla is showing the sign here. Let me show you where Tesla is going. One hour. Okay, Tesla is due for recovery. Right here in front of your eyes, the candle is falling short, means Tesla is recovering now. You can trade Tesla for the rest of your life and make good money. Every single day I try to tell people you don't need to chase every stock. You just need 4 or 5 stock. That's it. You can literally trade one stock every single day. But I don't know why it's not going to their mind. You keep chasing, oh, that is going up, that is going down, that is going sideline. I should buy this, I should buy that. 107. Okay, so I have here BMNR. Bounce, retrace, bounce, retrace. Very strange behavior. I don't feel like selling the call right at the bottom because this is bloody. Okay. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. DVLT, I have not averaged down my position yet. Okay, this is a micro cap stock. Do not put more money unless we have a confirmation. Okay, it's selling off, let it sell off. We want to have equal low, I mean average low as possible. So don't rush to buy more. our entry has been 98. Then we put the profit from the SIDU. Entire profit was put in DVLT, and now we are holding our position. Okay, bull. Okay, Beeman. Now let's see if we have some few dollar to collect somewhere. 30 January 38 50 39. We can do this. Yeah. 39.83. Okay. BMNR, I'm selling some call here. Just for some extra profit. I'll alert you in 2 seconds. I'm just looking at the option chain. So 30th of June, $40 call. $30th of January, $40 call BMNR to sell for covered and premium. Okay. So we will have some extra, like 70 cents collected. That's good enough. Free money, because that will go worthless. The price might not go to 40 before that. Even if the price recovers, still it will go to worthless. So it's good to collect. And delta is 17 on this call. So it's kind of a free money. All right, this one goes. 39. Okay. Okay, give me a second. So sell that BMNR call. Those who are listening. Holding, because I will be dumping a lot of contract. I won't be doing 40. I'll be doing 39.41 because I have a lot of contract to sell. So I will just sell a little bit left, right of all of you. Because I have 400 contract to sell. I can dump 50, 14 different strike price in that range, 15 each category. All right. Come on, what's going on? Back up, painful for trading. All right. So we are not averaging out DVLT, and we are selling some call on BMNR for premium. Even those who have a higher average price of BMNR, still you can sell 40 because the price will not go to 40, and you will have some extra 70 cents. Still you can sell $40, even if your break even is above 40. And the date is 30th January. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, right here, margin account, sell to open covered, limit by 0.7, sell, I'll do 50 contract here. Okay, so order filled here. Okay. Make sure everyone sell this call. 30th January, $40 call, all BMNR. Okay. All BMNR holder, whether you have a short put, you still sell the call. You have share, you sell the call. And even if you don't have a share, still sell 1 or 2 call. Sorry. Are you in queue? Don't touch these garbage. There's no good setup in the market. We really need one big trade. Either it's on coin, hood, SMCI. Something needs to blow out. One big long synthetic. Okay, so sell the call on the BMNR. I have to stop the stream. I'm not really feeling well, having a headache. I'll be on the Discord. Yeah. And if you have any question, keep posting. And the panic has nothing to do. So there's nothing to panic at all, at all, at all. Throw this thing out of the market that, oh, price is going down and you are panic and oh my God, what's going on? Nothing is going on. Market is not there where it was in 2024. It was not there in 2023. It's not there where it was in 2022. Every time market goes through manipulation, retail investor hand over their position, institution grab it, and it's the same story. The things repeat. And that's why the institution is buying BMNR right now. Look for the data. Don't look, make like, what do you call, informed decision. That yes, I know, this is what I know. This is what is happening in the market. Okay, I'll stop the stream, but I'll be on the Discord. Thanks, bye.